Hi all, welcome to Smart Edu channel. In this video, I am going to share how to correct the PDF files from Google Classroom. Teachers, are you worried about correction? No need to worry teachers. I will show you how to correct and send back the paper to the students. If you want to send back, otherwise how to save in your desktop itself. For that one, I am using two extensions of Chrome. One is Kami extension, the other one is DocHub. So let's start the video. So you can see I opened my one tab in the Chrome. So you need to open in one tab in Chrome. There you have to write Kami extension. So once you click on the Kami extension, the page will be with link is provided. So click on this link. Once you click on the link, it will be showing add to Chrome. Yes, we need to add to Chrome. Add extension. So after adding to the extension, it will be coming to the right side, right topmost place it will be coming. So for the first time, okay, once you install the first time, you need to click on this one also. Okay, afterwards you can directly go for the Google Classroom and open your PDF file, no worries. But for the first time, you need to set up all the documents. For that one, you have to click on the with Google account. Either you can use the school account or your personal account. So here I am just connecting with my personal account because already I signed with my school account. So I will show you. You need to select some particular, well, that means you have to select school and teacher. If you are using any learning management like Google Classroom and all the things, yes, I am using. I need to select, I am just using Google Classroom. Then write the school name, finish. So once you click the finish, it will be showing how many days you will be getting free trial. So 30 days free trial is there. Afterwards you can use with any other particular account you can use. So once you finish this thing, you need to go back to your classroom. So already one child assignment is already submitted. So I am just going to open that assignment. So I am opening that assignment which is already submitted in the PDF file. So it opened. So you can see here open with function. Click on open with function. Here the Kami annotated symbol came here. You need to click that one. That means you are going to open your PDF file with annotate with Kami. So it will be coming to the page where you want to correct. So the page open. That means this software, that means you need to give the authorization. So you are going to connect with your Google Drive. That means any document from the Google Drive you can open. So I am just going to select my account and I need to give the option allow. Okay, so now everything is fine. That means after saving this one, either you can download this one and save in your Google Drive or else send back the document to the students itself. Okay, so here it will be both the teachers and the students. Students can also download this one and they can also submit their work in the PDF which teachers are sending some documents in PDF. They can write the answers in the PDF itself. Or for teachers tool is also there, students tool is also there. So I am just going to show for the teachers correction. So for that one I need to click on the drawing, select the color which one you want to. So red color I choose and I am going to correct this one. You can see here I corrected. Okay, so here one option didn't submit, so I will just put the close mark. Now I am going to give the mark. Okay, so I want to put the signature. So I just selected. Already if any signature is there in your desktop means you can give, otherwise you can draw here. So I'm just going to draw a signature here. So uploaded. So I'm just going to insert my signature here. Okay, so I inserted my signature also there. You can enlarge your signature also. After this one, if you want to give the comment in particular places, you just go to comment. In the left side you can see the comment. Here you need to click the comment. Then once you click the comment, you can select the particular place where you want to give the comment. Okay, so click this one. So for giving the comments, you can come to the comment where you want to give the comment. You can click there. So I can write good work, or any comment you can give. If you want to give voice typing also is possible. So I gave the comment. Now I am going to use the video comment. It was a nice work. Keep it up, my dear. So like that I can give the comment also. It was a nice work. Keep it up, my dear. So I can give the comment also. Then I can give the audio comment, video comment also. So here I am just giving the video comment. You need to allow the camera. You can give well done, keep it up. This one for the next exam also you need to study well. So I gave the video comment also. So like that you can give different comments. After giving the comments, you need to save this one, right? You can see the right side top part, save option is there. Click the save now button. Once it is saving, that means it will be showing. After saving, it will again show save now. That means already saved. You can close this work and you can come to the assignment here. That means your where you check this one. Again click on this one whether your saved item is there or not. So if you are clicking this one, you can see what all the data you given, what all the changes you made. It is already in the paper. You can see the different comments also there. So after giving all the comments, you came back to your assignment, you opened this one. That means all the changes made here. So after giving each and everything, you checked also whether your child work is saved or not. Whatever corrections you made, it's already clear saved here. So you can go for marking this one. That means already I put the mark here 9. So here also I can check mark. I can return the mark, and I am going to return this document back to the child. So you can click here, return. This is the normal procedure how to return back this one. Okay, so I can close this one. If you are going and checking, means your children's work is graded. Okay, so this is the one way to correct the paper PDF file. So now I will be showing how to correct the PDF file in DocHub extension. So for that one, you can see my tab here. So I'm going to show you DocHub. So DocHub, you need to take the dochub.com, or you can directly go for the Chrome Web Store also. So once you type DocHub, you can see here, that means I am going to sign in with Google. So while Google time, you can select any of your account. I am just going to take with my school account. You can sign in with other Gmail account also. That means if the trial version is already finished, means you can do with different files. So from here you can first option you can select from here itself. You can select the documents. Here it is already some documents are correct there. In if you want to take it from your Google Classroom, means you can directly go for the Google Classroom, or else if you want to take it from the new, means you need to, in the left side you can see the new, click on the new button if it is already there in your drive. That means once the students are posting the or submitting the file means it will be in the Google Drive. So either you can go for the Google Drive from your corresponding classroom, you can select. I will show you. That means Google Drive, you are going for the Google Drive. That means you can see here I created the file here, test paper. So whoever submitted the file in the test paper, I can correct that one, or else I can go for my classroom. So if already any particular work is there, means I can correct from these all the classes. So this way you can correct this one document. That is, this is one way. Or else already you saved your document in your computer, means you can go for the computer, and from where means you can select the files and open and correct it. Or else you can go for the classroom. So here I am going to open my classroom. So once the classroom got opened, so which class files you are going to correct? So you can click on the classes, which one you want to correct. So I am just clicking this 12H. Then I have to go for the works where the students uploaded. So here one file is uploaded. I opened this file. Now you need to open the file with DocHub. Okay, you can see here, open the file with, you can see here DocHub. DocHub is there, so click on the DocHub file. That means it will be opened in the DocHub. Okay, the file will be opened with the DocHub. Once the file is got opened, here you can see the paper here. So you can give the mark, tick mark here. That means from here, if you are selecting, means already, that means inbuilt tick mark. Okay, so I will show you this option. That means topmost you can see the menus. Okay, choose stamp. So I can give this one tick mark, means I can click here. If you want to enlarge, means you can, or else if you want to click here, means you can click here. So like that, different ways or different colors also you can choose. For the colors also you can choose for the tick. Pen, I'm going to, so here the option I am going to click on myself. That means I can do the tick marks. Okay, I can put the signature also for sign, already same as of the Kami so extension. You can here also you can make, already I made some signature, or else you can create your signature here. So new signature can be drawn, or any particular font. So I am just going to draw my signature here. So I'm going to save. You can see the save button here. So this will be saved here, and you need to, that means you can use your signature, different signature. So you can see here I can give my signature here. Signature here, I can put marks also here. So like that we can easily put the comments, marks and all. So if you want to give the particular comments also, you can give here. Comment tools is there. So I'm just clicking the comment box here, and you can give the comments you can type here. So like that you can give the comments, different comments you can give. So more, wherever you are clicking, the comments will be up. Okay, like that you can give the comments. After giving this one, here you cannot send back the document to directly to the return back option is not there. Okay, for that one you need to click here. So once you touch the screen, you can see here download and export is there. So here you can either download and keep in your files. Okay, you can download this one and keep in your desktop, or else you can directly go for the Google Classroom and submit to the corresponding child. Okay, these both ways are there to either create a link, or else you can directly download it into your computer itself. with resize pages or remove some comments and all things like that, you can download it in your, if I am downloading this work into my computer, means it's got downloaded, so I can save that file in my desktop. Thank you. Hope you understood these two tools. It will be effective. Teachers, try one time. Maybe because of the because we are not doing any pro version, we are not taking any pro version, so a limited files only may be possible to check. The Kami is good, I think, because 30 days we are getting free trial, so maximum files we can check, and after 30 days with some try with some other Gmail account, and you will be getting more 30 days also. So like that you can correct for the your answer sheets and all things in this critical situation. For the correct exam is also going on, so you can do the corrections by using this one. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and click the bell icon for the updated notifications. Thank you.